Hi friends, welcome to your Children's Wealth YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Thales theorem from 2.2 to 2.5. Earlier we have discussed Thales theorem 2.1. Thales theorem 2.2. What exactly this Thales theorem 2.2 says? If a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. In this theorem, it says if a line, that is DE, divides other two sides of triangle, that is AB and AC. If DE divides two sides AB and AC in the same ratio, then line DE will be parallel to BC. We'll just go through the sequence of operation to prove this theorem. Assume DE is not parallel to BC but equally divided, hence this DE it is not parallel to BC but equally divided AB and AC. Hence we can write AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Now we will draw a line DE dash, that is DE dash, which is shown in the dotted lines, parallel to BC. Means we will just assume that DE dash is parallel to BC. Then as per Thales theorem we can write AE divided by EC is equal to AE dash divided by EC. Adding above two equations, we can say AD divided by DB is equal to AE dash divided by EC E dash C. By this we can say E and E dash both points are same, and also this line DE is parallel to BC. Either DE or DE dash is parallel to BC. This is what Thales theorem 2.2 says. We'll just move on to next Thales theorem 2.3. In Thales theorem 2.3, it says if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. Two triangles, that is ABC and DEF. In these two triangles, angles corresponding angles, that is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. If this is the case, then we can say these two triangles are similar. Means these two triangles are proportionally similar. Means say this is 1:1 scale, this is 1:2 scale. Means ABC is just 0.5 times of DEC, or triangle DEC is 2 times of ABC, like that, proportional we are saying. If this is proportional, then obviously we can say triangles are similar. We'll just go through the sequence of operation to prove this theorem. Consider two triangles ABC, A, B, C, and triangle D, E and F. In this, for proving the Thales theorem, we need to construct one triangle inside triangle DEF. Draw a point P which has to cut on the side DE, so that DP is equal to AB. This DP must be equal to DB, and draw another point Q on the side DF, so that AC length must be equal to DQ. and then join the point P and Q with the dotted lines for our assumption purpose. So if we draw like this, then we can say triangle ABC is nothing but triangle D, P and Q. See, as a theorem itself, it says angle B is equal to angle P, because we have drawn triangle ABC inside AEC, so that's why we can say it angle B is equal to angle P. And also from the earlier theorems, angle P is equal to angle E, because PQ and EF are parallel lines, so angle P and angle E will be same. And also we can say, since these DP and DQ are proportional to DE and DF, from Thales theorem 1 we can say PQ is parallel to EF. That's what we have written over here. Therefore from Thales theorem we can write, this is the one, dP by P is equal to dQ by QF, that is dP divided by P is equal to dQ divided by QF. Then this one we can also write it, dP is nothing but AB. From the second line we can say dP is equal to AB. So this equation we can also write it AB divided by DE, and DQ is nothing but AC, so AC divided by DF. Similarly, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Since these two sides are proportionally equal with respect to triangle DEF, we can also write this side also proportional to side EF. That's why we have written AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF. So hence we can say AB by DE, that is this one, and AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. We'll just move on to next theorem, that is Thales theorem 2.4. What is Thales theorem 2.4 says? If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. Friends, in earlier theorem we have proven that if corresponding angles, that is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, then these two triangles are similar. That's what we have proven in the earlier theorem. In this theorem it says it's in the reverse case, means AB is proportional to DE and AC is proportional to DF and BC is proportional to EF. Hence this is similar triangles. That's what this theorem says. We'll just prove this theorem. Consider two triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In this, obviously as per the earlier theorems, we'll just draw one more triangle inside DEF triangle. That triangle must be equal to ABC. That is, we pick a point P on the side DF so that AB is equal to DB, and we'll draw one more point Q on the side DF so that side AC is equal to BQ. So after drawing this, we can say triangle ABC is equal to triangle DPQ. Since in the theorem itself it says sides are proportional, from Thales theorem 1 we can write dp divided by pe is equal to dq divided by eqf. Means in Thales theorem 1 what it says, if sides are proportional then whatever drawn line it will be parallel to third side of the triangle. That is what we have written over here. See, PQ is equal to EF. This equation is from Thales theorem 1. So as PQ is parallel to EF, we can write, if these two lines are parallel, obviously we know that angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Therefore we can write dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF and also PQ by EF. Here what we have done, as angles are equal and also PQ is parallel to EF, from Thales theorem we can write dP divided by dE is equal to dQ divided by dF and also PQ divided by EF. Means one side of one triangle will be proportional to another side of another triangle. So here PQ is equal to BC. We have replaced that in this equation. Then so BC is equal to PQ. This BC is equal to PQ. Hence triangle ABC is equal to similar to triangle DPQ. So triangle angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. Thales theorem 2.5. In this theorem what it says, if one angle of triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Consider two triangles ABC and DEF. Same case as in the earlier theorem what we have proved. We have drawn line PQ considering the side length of AB and AC. So obviously triangle ABC is equal to triangle DPQ. So from the Thales theorem 1 we can write dP divided by PE is equal to dQ divided by QF and also PQ is parallel to EF. From above theorem, AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF and also angle A is equal to angle D. Now PQ is parallel to EF and triangle ABC similar to DPQ. Hence we can write angle A is equal to angle D and also angle B is equal to angle P. Also angle C is equal to angle Q. Hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF.